everyone. Welcome to Yejential Training Academy. Today's topic, Multi-Stage Docker File, AI Agent Example. In production AI systems, multi-stage Docker builds are not optional, they are mandatory. Because AI containers can easily become bloated, insecure, and slow to deploy. Multi-stage builds solve this by separating the heavy build environment from the lightweight runtime image. Let's break this down step by step. In the first stage, we use Python 3.12-Slim. This is our build environment. Here, we install build tools like Build Essential, copy the requirements.txt, and run pip install no cache dir. All compilation happens here, including native dependencies for AI libraries. But here's the key. This entire build environment is not shipped to production. No compilers, no build caches, no unnecessary layers. Now we start fresh. Again, we use Python 3.12-Slim, but this time as a clean runtime image. From the builder stage, we copy only the installed Python packages, the application source code. That's it. No development tools, no secret build arguments, no leftover artifacts. The result? A smaller, cleaner, more secure AI container. Non-root user, security first. Never run AI agents as root inside containers. Instead, create a dedicated user. User add agent user, user agent user. If a vulnerability occurs, the blast radius is limited. This is a fundamental production security principle. Health check configuration. Production AI services must be observable and self-healing. We define a Docker health check like this. It pings http://localhost:8080/health. If the check fails, the container is marked unhealthy. In Kubernetes, the readiness probe uses this to ensure traffic only goes to healthy pods. Zero unhealthy traffic, zero silent failures. Environment injection. Never bake secrets into Docker images. No API keys, no database passwords, no tokens. Instead, inject runtime configuration through environment variables. In Kubernetes, these come from secrets, often backed by systems like HashiCorp Vault. Secrets are injected at pod startup. They are never stored in image layers. This is enterprise-grade security. Image size targets. Image size directly impacts pull speed, deployment time, cluster scaling performance. For a Python AI agent, the production target should be under 400 megabytes. For a GPU inference container running vLLM with CUDA libraries, target under 8 GB. These limits are enforced in CI pipelines using automated size gate checks. No oversized images are allowed into production. Labels and metadata. Every production container must include OCI standard labels, org.opencontainers.image.version, org.opencontainers.image.revision, the Git SHA, org.opencontainers.image.created. These labels enable automated inventory, precise rollbacks, compliance auditing, version traceability. Final takeaway. Multi-stage Docker files are not just optimization, they are a production discipline. They improve security, performance, compliance, scalability. If you're building AI agents for real-world deployment, this is the standard, not optional, mandatory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep tech content on Docker architecture for AI workloads. Thank you all.